Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to start formation of words. How formation of words are done in English in order to grow word power. That's why the heading of this topic is formation of words. आज मैं आपको नए नए शब्दों को बनाने के लिए बताने जा रहा हूँ। तो सबसे पहले हम लोग एडजेक्टिव से वर्ब कैसे बनाते हैं, एडजेक्टिव्स को वर्ब में कैसे चेंज करते हैं। ओके, सो आवर टॉपिक इज एडजेक्टिव टू वर्ब, एडजेक्टिव टू वर्ब. Here I write some of the adjectives such as broad, B-R-O-A-D, broad. Sick, S-I-C-K, sick. Bold, B-O-L-D, bold. Dark, D-A-R-K, dark. Bright, B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. Next word is deep, D-E-E-P. Height, H-E-I-G-H-T, height. Height, this word is actually noun, but all the above written words are adjectives. Next word is hard. Next word is moist, M-O-I-S-T, moist. So this is the list of word. How these adjectives, all these words are adjectives, okay, and how these adjectives are made verb by using en. Actually these words are roots and we will add suffix to these words. En is the suffix. This is the smallest unit of word. All the words have three forms: prefix, root and suffix. So suffix is last में यूज करते हैं. इसी तरह से और वर्ड देखते हैं, जैसे thick, T-H-I-C-K, thick. Next white, W-H-I-T-E, white. Next word is sweet, S-W-E-E-T, sweet. Another word black, B-L-A-C-K, black. Cheap, C-H-E-A-P, cheap. Quiet, Q-U-I-E-T, quiet. Light, L-I-G-H-T, light. Short, S-H-O-R-T, short. And mad, M-A-D, mad. So here is a list of words. However, some of the words are noun. जैसे इस वर्ड को देख, जो कि लाइट है. ये लाइट क्या है? नाउन है. यहाँ पे हाइट जो है वो भी नाउन है. लेकिन बाकी जितने भी शब्द हैं, जितने भी वर्ड्स हैं, सभी एडजेक्टिव्स हैं. सो हियर वी विल बी चेंज ऑल दीज एडजेक्टिव्स इनटू वर्ब by using the suffix en. So broad will change into broaden, B-R-O-A-D-E-N, broaden, B-R-O-A-D-E-N, broaden. So broad is noun, broad is adjective and broaden is verb. Next word is bold. Bold will be written as bolden. Sick means ill. Sick will be written as sicken. Dark will be written as darken. Bright को हम लोग brighten लिखेंगे, B-R-I-G-H-T-E-N. Deep को लिखेंगे deepen, D-E-E-P-E-N, deepen. Height को लिखेंगे heighten, H-I-H-E-I-G-H-T-E-N, heighten. Hard will be written as harden. And moist will be written as moisten. इसी तरह से आगे देखते हैं, थिक को हम लोग थिकेन लिख सकते हैं, वाइट को वाइटेन लिखेंगे। नेक्स्ट इज स्वीट, स्वीटेन, स्वीटेन, sugar has sweetened this dish. Next, black, blacken, please blacken this circle. Next is cheap, cheapen, cheapen, cheapen. Quiet, quieten, quieten, quieten. Please quieten the crying child. So sentences can be made this way. Light will be changed as lighten, lighten, and short, shorten, shorten, and mad, madden. So all these words, all these adjectives have been changed into verb, and now you can use these verbs in several ways. You can use them in simple present tense, simple past tense. Okay, you can use them in present continuous tense, past continuous tense, like that. Suppose that, please shorten this story. I am shortening this story. The noise has maddened everyone. He has been quietened by me. The number of products have been cheapened. प्लीज़ ब्लैकन दिस सर्कल। तो इस तरह से हम लोग इसको अपने सेंटेंस में यूज़ कर सकते हैं, और हम जब देखते हैं तो जस्ट हमारा जो वर्ड स्टॉक है वो डबल हो जाता है। सो फॉर्मेशन ऑफ वर्ड्स इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर इन ऑर्डर टू ग्रो वर्ड पावर इन एवरीडे स्पीकिंग, एवरीडे राइटिंग इंग्लिश, and in the competitive exams also. So if you have, so let's see some more words. This word haste, fright, ripe, 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 and red, red. So these words will be also made adjective by using en. Okay, haste will be written as hasten, fright will be written as frighten,